So Civil Air Patrol is a program that teaches young people about flying in their cadets program. They also have a educators program, so they allow teachers to go up and fly a plane. My flight, I helped a little with takeoff, but once we were at the right altitude, it was just really hands off. Okay, your turn, you can go. He allowed us to, as we were flying, we flew from Elkhart to LaPorte. It was great. So afterwards, he was like, you know, have you ever thought of having a job as a pilot? It's like, I will probably stick to teaching. Yeah, so part of the Civil Air Patrol's educators program was that they give you STEM kits. So that's how I got my flight simulators. With the simulator, you can go to any airport in the world. You can also choose your plane. So there's a bunch of different planes in there. You have to turn the engine on and give it some throttle and you'll start to move. So a little intro to my lesson was have them kind of research different paper airplanes, how planes kind of work, how to make the best paper airplane, to really kind of get them into the topic. Me being able to fly a plane was absolutely a giant benefit to teaching this lesson. I could take some of my prior knowledge. They were kind of in the same position I was, not knowing absolutely anything about flying a plane. One of them was very scared. You could kind of tell he was very nervous. So just kind of reassuring, like, hey, you know what, I went through this, like, it's gonna be okay. Like, this was just a simulation.
When you're actually flying a plane, what they tell you is to find a spot and fly towards that, right? So that you follow that one and you can stay straight.
So the way I'm going to use this simulator long term, instead of having the kids just after they finish an assignment or something, just sitting there doing nothing, waiting for their classmates, because we all work at different paces. So some do finish way before others, and this gives them a chance of, hey, Miss Sparrow, I'm done. Can I go on the flight simulator? So it also helps me build a relationship with them. They can trust me a little more.
You landed it, so good job. That's a first camera.